I'm Chris, and this is my review on the SuperTop NX. So we're inside the Jeep right now. The first and biggest issue I was worried about was the noise. People say you hear the road noise. So let's go ahead and take it out for a spin and see how bad the road noise is, and I'll talk about it compared to the hardtop. So first of all, we have the AC on low, and as far as radiating heat in it, I don't really notice any difference. It's probably 90 right now in Houston, Texas. Like I said, the AC is on low, and it seems to keep the cool in the same exact way as the hardtop. I don't notice any difference at all. So as far as road noise, it's the same thing. I don't notice any freaking difference in the air around me as the hardtop. So what about wind noises, leaks? Absolutely nothing. It rained on this thing last night, not a drop of water inside. What about air noise? There's no flapping, there's no whistling, absolutely nothing. It passes the test 100%. Let's get this thing on the freeway. We're gonna get up to about 65. That's as fast as I go in this Jeep. And let's see if we can hear any noise or whistling, or just see what happens. Going 55. Definitely hear the soft top reacting with the wind. Okay, so top sounds good at 45, but once you get around 50, you're going to noticeably hear the wind against the top. Hey, look at that nice trash pile. Somebody literally dumped a trailer right there. That's awesome. Trash. That back window that was giving some issues, it's starting to look a lot better. You don't notice it from the inside, but you could put a noodle on the inside when you park it and it'll puff that out. When we get the top down on it, we're going to try to scoot it over. Maybe that was the problem, I'm not sure. Black diamond is a real deep black color. It passes the test 100%. So if you want to get nitpicky, the stitches right here on the top are pretty poor. I hope that doesn't come undone, but there's nothing I can really do about that. So the looks of the Jeep have improved with that soft top, in my opinion, all day and night. So let's do the first feature, which is the Sunrider. So we have to open our doors, and you got to get these little, they call them canards, but I don't like that word. I refuse to use it. I'm just going to call them plastic things. You're going to undo these, 2 of them on each side. And then you got to move your visor out of the way completely and undo both of the clamps on the header panel. Okay. All right, driver's side. Okay. All right, now this little thing flips back. All right, so Sunrider features open now, and it's a lot better than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be too small. So you can clearly see all it opens. It doesn't look weird or anything. Let's take it for a drive and see what I think about that. So you can see what it looks like opened up. A lot better than I thought it would be. So I got the windows down. We're just gonna hold the phone, talk about this experience. It took about 3 minutes to undo this. Okay, so this really does satisfy that sudden urge of taking the top down. Passes the test 100%. Sunrider feature is freaking awesome. I highly recommend this. I love it. Freaking love it. So Sunrider feature passes the test 100%. It even looks good. For some reason in the pictures I thought it would look weird. It does not. The next difficult thing about owning a top like this is where do you put your windows? They say you can roll that back window up. I am not going to do that. Every little thing you do when you touch those, you can screw them up. So we're gonna have to make a bag or something. Right now we're just using the plastic or paper it came with in the box, and then we'll figure something out in another video. So now we're gonna put the top back for the first time. Let's see if one person can do this. Okay, we got it all loose. Now we're gonna undo those two corners. See how I kind of stuffed this back in here. You could always strap that down with something if you wanted. That's fine for me right now. And of course you'll have to teach yourself some kind of method to fold that. I just stuffed it in there, but it looks pretty neat. Let's take this thing for a drive. Okay, so top's off it, totally worth it. Let's take this thing for a ride as a convertible for the first time ever. So no top on the Jeep. You can't beat this at all. This is the coolest thing ever. It's actually kind of cooler than riding the Camaro. Just because the Camaro, you're tempted to go so fast and drive crazy. Alright, so there it goes with the top down. I actually like how this is neatly pressed in here. Like I said, you're going to have to learn how to fold that a little bit better, but it doesn't look bad. We don't need any kind of cover on it. Looks fine. Yeah, so side view with the top off, cannot beat that. Notice the rails and what they're going to look like. They do not bother me. I don't see anything wrong. Nothing looks flimsy, nothing looks cheap. Everything went on there the way it was supposed to. So a convertible Jeep, it's hard to beat that. I love it. Never going back to hardtop. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.